Okay, Echo, Niner, Echo, 7. Take flanking positions. I want you to look after this guy, okay?
All right, boys. Let's give Mr. Case some cover. Gentlemen, let's plow the road. We'll draw him up, and it'll be all yours.
Oh, look out! I've got tone. Eagle 20. Box 2. Eagle 20. Box 2. It's jammed. All fire. All right, you alien assholes. In the words of my generation, up yours!
Dad, what's he doing?
Come on, baby. Come on, baby, come on.
Good luck, buddy.
Hello, boys! I'm back!
You mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we can share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.
He did it! The son of a bitch did it!